In today's video, we are going to show you how to place a trade on Vantage Market. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then I want you to hover to the top corner where you can see the trade option. I want you to click on it because this will open your trading platform. Here in Vantage Market, to place a new order, I want you to hover to the left side panel of the market watch and select an instrument. For example, we're going to be choosing USD, JPY, or US dollars to Japan yen. Now, if you click on it, this will be forwarded to the chart and you have all this information right here. Okay? Now, on the right side, you have the ability to click buy by market or sell by market. It's up to you since you viewed the open positions. Now, what I'm going to do is click the buy section. I'm going to go to the limit and put in a specific volume. You want to make sure that you are using the currency, not the lots. And then put in the specific value right here. For example, let's say 1,000 and click the buy button. And just like that, we have successfully placed our first trade here in Vantage Market. Now, if you are new here, I highly recommend practicing first on a demo account inside Vantage Market because this allows you to trade with virtual money, practice risk management, learn without losing real funds. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you place a trade on Vantage Markets. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.